Welcome, students. Today we are going to explore the exciting realm of gastronomy through the lens of technology, specifically using ChatGPT. Our objective is to learn how to effectively retrieve cooking recipes from this AI language model. By the end of this lecture, you will be equipped with the knowledge to spice up your cooking adventures. When asking for a recipe, clarity is key. Begin by being specific about what you are looking for. Are you interested in a particular cuisine, such as Italian or Mexican? Or do you have certain dietary restrictions or preferences, like vegan or gluten free? The more details you provide, the more tailored the response will be. Once you are ready, initiate the conversation with a clear request. For example, can you provide a vegan lasagna recipe? ChatGPT will process your request and generate a recipe. If the recipe is not to your liking, you can ask for alternatives or specify further. The recipes provided by ChatGPT are a starting point. Feel free to ask follow-up questions to tweak the recipe to your liking. Questions like, how can I make this recipe spicier? Or what can I use instead of eggs? Can help you customize the dish. It's important to know that ChatGPT won't provide recipes from copyrighted sources or direct copies from specific cookbooks. Instead, it can generate unique recipes based on its training data or modify existing ones to create something new for you. You can also use ChatGPT to understand cooking techniques. ChatGPT can guide you through the steps. This interactive learning aids in building your culinary skills. The best way to get comfortable with retrieving recipes from ChatGPT is to practice. Engage with the model, experiment with different types of requests, and see how the responses vary. Over time, you'll become adept at extracting the best culinary advice from this digital chef. ChatGPT can be a powerful ally in the kitchen, offering a treasure trove of recipes at your fingertips. With the strategies we have discussed today, you are well on your way to becoming proficient at using this tool to enhance your cooking experiences. Let's go to the ChatGPT, and I am writing this prompt here. Can you provide vegan lasagna recipe? And enter. So here you see ChatGPT writing very delicious recipe for me. It's complete now. And you can see in this recipe, ChatGPT gives us ingredients. All ingredients are here. And after that, you can see here instructions also. In very detailed step-by-step instructions, ChatGPT gives us this recipe. Now I am writing here, how can I make this recipe spicier? So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. You see ChatGPT writing here more some spicy things to make this dish very spicy and delicious. There is hot sauce also, crushed red pepper, if you like spicy vegan cheese, and more and more. We write another prompt here. Act as an expert chef. Suggest cooking recipes. Use low cholesterol ingredients. Or notice that here ChatGPT giving me some recipes. Number one recipe, or having low cholesterol.